A very good morning to all the students of class 4. Dear student, today we will study the 17th chapter of social science named as our constitution, goals, rights and duties from the book Our Land, Our God. So, dear student, as I am sharing my screen with you, which will help you to understand the chapter. Dear student, very first you should learn about the learning objectives of the chapter. What you will learn in this chapter. So, dear student, as the chapter title, our constitution, goals, rights and duties itself is describing its learning objective. You will learn about our constitution, their goals, rights and duties. So, let's begin the chapter. Dear student, as you all know, after a long struggle, India became free on 15 August 1947. Dear student, this is very important question that you should know when India became free. So the answer is India became free on 15 August 1947. That's why we celebrate 15 August as our Independence Day in every year. So, a new constitution was made for free India. आजाद भारत के लिए एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाया गया, एक नया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाया गया. What is constitution? This is the second important question of this paragraph. So, constitution is the set of rules and regulations about the national goals, rights and duties of the citizens, form and working of the government. So, what is constitution? Constitution is the set of rules and regulations about the national goals, rights and duties of the citizen, form and working of the government. This is called the constitution. The new constitution was adopted on 26 January 1950. This is again very important question. When was the new constitution was adopted? So the answer is the new constitution was adopted on 26 January 1950. So on this day, India became a republic. इस दिन क्या हुआ? इंडिया एक गणराज्य के रूप में बना. So this is very important for the beginning of the chapter. Let's discuss its first learning objective, which is our goals. So, dear student, as you can see in my screen, dear student, sovereignty, democracy, socialism, and the secularism are the national goal of the Indian Republic and its people. इंडियन रिपब्लिक के लिए और वहां के लोगों के लिए मेन गोल क्या है? सोवेरेंटी, डेमोक्रेसी, सोशलिज्म एंड secularism are the national goal of Indian Republic and its people. Let's discuss what is sovereignty. So, as I am highlighting it, this is very important definition. Sovereignty means that we, the Indians, are our own master. हम Indians अपने खुद के master हैं. As other country does not govern us. कोई और country हमें rule नहीं कर सकती, हमें govern नहीं कर सकती. The second important definition is democracy. What is democracy? So, democracy means people will govern themselves. People will elect their representative. यहाँ के लोग या तो क्या करते हैं, कैसे अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को इलेक्ट करते हैं और डेमोक्रेसी बनाते हैं. the people's representative will form a government और जो लोगों से चुने हुए लोग जाते हैं वो क्या बनाते हैं गवर्नमेंट बनाते हैं. The next important definition is socialism, which means equal rights and equal opportunity for all to move forward. भारत में सबके लिए इक्वल राइट्स और इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं इसके लिए आगे बढ़ने के लिए. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड सोशलिज्म. द नेक्स्ट वन इज secularism. What is the secularism? That means that the government will treat people all religion are alike. So what is secularism? सरकार सभी लोगों को सभी धर्मों के लोगों को एक जैसा ट्रीट करेगी. सो एवरीवन इज फ्री टू फॉलो एनी रिलीजन. कोई भी लोग किसी भी धर्म को मानने के लिए फ्री हैं, चाहे वो हिंदू है, चाहे वो मुस्लिम है, चाहे वो सिख है, वो किसी भी धर्म को फ्रीली एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं. In a republic, a single individual does not rule. Here people from the government. So, dear student, this is all about our goals of Indian Constitution. Let's discuss our fundamental rights. So, dear student, our Constitution secures liberty, equality, and justice for all. Several rights are given to every citizens of India, even children. सभी को सेम एक जैसे राइट्स हैं, बच्चों को भी वही राइट्स हैं जो बड़ों को दिए गए हैं. सो दे आर कॉल्ड एज अ फंडामेंटल राइट्स. Dear student, this is again very important question and I am highlighting it. Our Constitution secures liberty, equality, and justice for all. Several rights are given to every citizen of India, even children. So, this is called fundamental rights. The right of vote is for adults only. तो जो हमारी कंट्री में वोट का राइट है जिससे आप अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के लिए या फिर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के लिए चूज करते हैं, वो राइट सिर्फ और सिर्फ 18 साल या फिर उससे ऊपर के लोगों के लिए है. दैट इज कॉल्ड वोटिंग राइट्स. सो लेट्स डिस्कस आवर फंडामेंटल राइट्स. सो द फर्स्ट फंडामेंटल राइट इज राइट टू इक्वालिटी. एज आई एम हाइलाइटिंग इट, what is right to equality? So, dear student, all people are equal before the law, whatever their caste, religion, sex, place of birth are. तो सभी के लिए रूल चीजें समान होंगी, चाहे वो किसी भी धर्म से हो, वो किसी भी कास्ट से हो, उसका जेंडर कुछ भी हो, सभी के लिए इक्वल लॉज होंगे, सभी के लिए इक्वल राइट्स होंगे. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड right to equality, which is the first fundamental right of human. The second one is right to freedom. So all people can express their views, they can assemble or form associations, they are free to live and travel anywhere in India, they can follow any profession. So the second fundamental right is right to freedom. कोई भी अपने व्यूज अपने विचार रखने के लिए फ्री है, कोई भी एसोसिएशन बना सकते हैं, वो इंडिया में कहीं भी जा सकते हैं, कहीं भी घूम सकते हैं और किसी भी प्रोफेशन को एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं. सो दैट कम्स अंडर द फ्रीडम राइट टू फ्रीडम. द थर्ड वन इज right against exploitation. So what is that? Let's understand it. No one can be forced to work for others. कोई भी किसी को काम के लिए फोर्स नहीं कर सकता. Children below the age of 18 cannot be employed as a laborers. So 14 साल से कम के बच्चे किसी भी जगह एज अ एम्प्लॉय लेबर्स का काम नहीं कर सकते. That comes under the right against exploitation. The number 4 fundamental rights is right to freedom of religion. As the title itself is describing their rights, the right to freedom of religion. So everyone is free to follow and preach the religion of his choice. किसी को भी किसी भी धर्म को मानने का या फिर उसे छोड़ने का अधिकार है. He can freely observe his custom and festivals. वो अपने धर्म के फेस्टिवल्स और वहाँ के आचार विचारों को एक्सेप्ट कर सकता है या उसे छोड़ सकता है. So the fifth fundamental rights is culture and educational rights. So all Indians will have the right to preserve their district language or script. A student will not refuse admission to any institution on the ground of religion, caste and language. So सभी को शिक्षा पाने का अधिकार है, चाहे वो किसी भी धर्म से हो, किसी भी कास्ट से हो या उसकी कोई भी लैंग्वेज हो, कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी या फिर कोई भी अदर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट उन्हें एडमिशन के लिए मना नहीं कर सकती. The sixth fundamental right is the right to constitutional remedies. So every citizen can seek protection from the court if this fundamental right is interfered by anyone. तो कोई भी अगर आपके फंडामेंटल राइट्स में इंटरफेयर करता है या आपके फंडामेंटल राइट्स का को तोड़ता है तो आप कोर्ट से उस चीज के लिए प्रोटेक्शन ले सकते हैं. So this comes under right to constitution remedies. So these are 6 fundamental rights. 1, right to equality. 2, right to freedom. 3, right against exploitation. Number 4, right to freedom of religion. Number 5, cultural and educational rights. And number 6, right to constitutional remedies. So these are the 6 fundamental rights of Indian Constitution. Dear student, let's understand our fundamental duties. What are our fundamental duties? So, dear student, in order to enjoy our rights, we must ensure that we are not interfering with rights of others. अपने फंडामेंटल राइट्स को एंजॉय करने के साथ साथ हमें ये भी इंश्योर करना चाहिए कि हम किसी और के फंडामेंटल राइट्स को में इंटरफेयर ना करें. The rights of one person are the duties of another. We are free to speak, but we should not speak anything hurting to the others. हमें कुछ भी बोलने का अधिकार तो है, लेकिन हमें ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए जिससे किसी और को बुरा लगे. It is also our duty to let others speak. ये भी हमारी ड्यूटी है कि हम औरों को भी उसके लिए बोलने दें. So our constitution lists 11 fundamental duties of every citizen. तो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कितने फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज हैं? हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में 11 फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज हैं every citizen. That is for every citizen. A student, this is very important question as I am highlighting it. How many fundamental duties are listed in our constitution? So there are 11 fundamental duties which list in our Indian constitution. So let's discuss it. As I am removing it. We must follow the ideals set by the Constitution. What is our first fundamental duties? That is, we must follow ideals set by the Constitution. The second one is we must respect our national flag and our national anthem. हमें अपने राष्ट्रीय झंडे की और हमारे नेशनल एंथम की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. दिस इज ऑल्सो आवर फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी. Number three, we must be prepared to defend the unity and integrity of our country. The fourth fundamental duty is we must cooperate with government in the time of danger. Danger के टाइम पे हमें अपनी सरकार के साथ cooperate करना चाहिए. This is our fourth fundamental duty. The fifth one is we must treat other individuals as our equal. हमें औरों को अपने बराबर ही equal treat करना चाहिए. The sixth one is we must protect our natural environment. The seventh one is we must protect public property and our monuments. So हमें अपने जो मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं उनकी और पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टीज को उसे प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए. दिस इज द सेवेंथ फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. The eighth one is we must maintain peace and harmony in our country. The ninth fundamental duty is we must develop a scientific temper. What is 10th fundamental duties? We must strive towards excellence in all spheres. And the last, which is 11th fundamental duty of every citizen, is we must provide opportunity for all education to our child, as the case may be between the age of 6 to 14 years. So, this is all about our fundamental duties. There are 11 fundamental duties and 6 fundamental rights of every citizen of India. So, this is all about the chapter 7, our constitution, goals and duties. Dear student, we will study the 18th chapter of social science in our next class. Thank you.